If you want to deactivate an Instagram account either temporarily or permanently, this is what you do. Go to your browser and type instagram.com. Open this and log in to your Instagram account. Once you've logged in, you want to go to the bottom left hand side here, assuming you're using your PC, to click here and go to settings. If you're using your mobile phone, the settings option is usually on the top right hand side corner. So click on the settings button. Once you click on the settings buttons, you want to come here on the left hand side again and go to the account center here. So you can click on this account center. When you click on the account center, it will open for you an account center where all your Meta profiles are. I'll click on manage accounts. Now when I click on manage accounts, I'm going to select the account that I want to manage. In this case, it is this Instagram account here. When I go to this, I have the options to deactivate or deletion. So if I click on this, it will give me the option to either deactivate my account or delete my account. So deactivation is usually temporary if you intend to come back to it, but if you want to delete it completely, you can do that here and then click on continue. Then you'll proceed with the steps where you'll be asked for things like your password and all that, just to verify that it is you that is initiating the process of deactivating this account of yours. If you deactivate it temporarily, you can activate it later following the same process. But if you are deleting it, it means you are completely removing it, and you'll be given the option to download your content. If you look at this, when you delete your account, your profile photos and videos, likes and follows will be permanently deleted. You can just temporarily deactivate, but you can also just always back up your profile content before you delete it permanently.